Hello students, let's do playing with numbers exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3, we are with question 4. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. Now whenever you're doing the test for 11, the first thing you should do is take a look at the number and write which place they are in. That means from the right, now 5 is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have it like this. 5 is in 1, the first place, 4 is in the second place, the other 4 is in the third, and then we have 5 in the fourth place. Now here 1, 2, 3 and 4, what are the odd numbers? 1 and 3. What are the numbers in the odd number places? 1 we have 5 and in 3 we have 4. Now what are the even numbers here? 2 and 4. And what are the digits in the 2 and the 4 places? In the second place we have 4 and in the fourth place we have 5. So this is the first thing you need to do when you know that you are going to do a test of divisibility by 11. First, from the right to the left, write which place each digit is in. Then we have to find the sum of the digits in the odd places from the right side. So in the odd places, what do we have? Here in the first place we have 5 and in the third place, because 1 and 3 are odd numbers. So in that place, what do we have? 4 and 5. So let's add from the right side, that will be 5 plus 4. Okay, so add up the digits which are in the odd places. So that is over. Now we have to find the sum of the digits in the even places from the right side. That means in the second place and in the fourth place, because 2 and 4 are even numbers. So from the right it will be 4 plus 5, which is 9. So this is the first step. You write down the place of each digit. Then you find the sum of the digits in the odd places from the right side. Then you find the sum of the digits in the even places from the right side. Now what should we do next? We should find the difference in the two sums. That means this is the first sum and this is the second sum. What is the meaning of sum? Sum is when you add and the answer that you get. So the first sum and the second sum, find the difference. That means we need to subtract. So 9 minus 9. When we subtract, what do we get? 0. Now the test for 11 is, after you do all these, if your answer is 0 or 11, 22, 33, 44, that means a multiple of 11. If your answer is 0 or a multiple of 11, that means that number is divisible by 11. So now we've got 0. That means the difference here, 0, is divisible by 11. That is, 0 is divisible by 11. So the difference is 0 and 0 is divisible by 11. That means the given number 5445 is divisible by 11. So I hope you understood how to do the test for 11. First you write out the place on top like this. Then find the sum of the digits in the odd places from the right side. Sum of the digits in the even places from the right side. Find the difference of the two sums. Now what is the difference? And is that difference divisible by 11? Yes, it is. And then you write this. Let's go to the next one. So here also we have 10,824. First, let's write the places on top. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now, sum of the digits in the odd places from the right side. What are the odd places? 4, that is in the first place, in the third place and in the fifth place. These are the numbers we have. Let's add it up. 4 plus 8 plus 1. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So we finished with the digits in the odd places. Now let's find the sum of the digits in the even places, that is in the second place and the fourth place. So what do we have? In the second place we have 2 and in the fourth place we have 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2. Now we have to find the difference of the two sums. The first sum is 13 and the second sum is 2. Difference means subtract. So difference is 11. That means the difference here is 11. Now is 11 divisible by 11? Yes, 11, the number 11 is divisible by 11, isn't it? 11 ones are 11. That means the number 10,824 is divisible by 11. So you have to find the sum like this, find the difference and see if that difference is divisible by 11. Question C. So again here we have 71,38,965. So let's write the place on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now let's find the sum of the digits in the odd places. Odd is 1, 3, 5, 7. So in the first place, third place, fifth place and the seventh place, these are the numbers. Let's find the sum. So that is 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 plus 7 is 21. 24. 17 plus 7 is 24. Now, let's find the sum of the digits in the even places from the right. So what are the digits in the even places? In the second place, fourth place and the sixth place, we have these numbers. Let's write it down. So that is 6 plus 8 plus 1. 6 plus 8 plus 1. So that is 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So here we have 15. Next thing we need to do is find the difference of the two sums. So the first sum is 24, the second sum is 15. 24 minus 15 is 9. Now, so the difference is 9. Now, is this 9 divisible by 11? 9 is not divisible by 11. Therefore, this whole number, that is 71,38,965, is not divisible by 11. Question D, we have 7 crore 1,69,308. First, let's write the places. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 digits there. So first step is sum of the digits in the odd places from the right side. Odd places means the first place, third, fifth and the seventh places. So let's add up those digits. So that will be 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0. Let's add it up. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 0 is 17. Now let's go to the next step where we find the sum of the digits in the even places from the right. So even places will be the second, fourth, sixth and the eighth places. So let's add that up. So it's starting with 0. 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7. So what do we have? 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So that's equal to 17. Now we have to find the difference of the two sums. So the first sum is 17. Second sum is also 17. The difference is 0. So the difference here will be 0. Now 0 is divisible by 11. So we said in the beginning the test for 11 is it should be 0 or a multiple of 11. So here since it's 0, we know that 7 crore 1,69,308 is divisible by 11. Next one, here we have 1 crore and 1. So let's see the places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 places here. So now let's begin by adding up the digits in the odd places from the right. First place, third, fifth and seventh places. So we have 1 plus all the others in the third place, fifth place and seventh place we have 0. Isn't it? Everywhere we have 0. So 1 plus zeros will give us 1. Now let's take all the digits which are in the even places. So in the even places from the right, what do we have? We have in the second place, fourth, sixth and the eighth places. So let's add it up. So we have zeros in the second, fourth and the sixth place. 0. So let's write that 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus in the eighth place we have 1. So here it is again 1. Now we have to find the difference of the two sums. The first sum is 1, the second sum is also 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And as we know, the difference, which is 0, is divisible by 11. That means 1 crore and 1 is divisible by 11. Next one, here we have 9,01,153. So let's write the digits place 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. First step, take the digits in the odd places from the right. In the first place, third place and fifth place, we have these digits. So let's add it up. So that will be 3 plus 1 plus 0, which is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now we are going to take the digits which are in the even places. So sum of the digits in the even places. second place, fourth place and sixth place. So second place we have 5, in the fourth place we have 1 and in the sixth place we have 9. So let's add it up. We can add it like this. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. You can make your addition easy, okay, by rearranging your numbers. Difference of the two sums. So difference of the two sums is 15 minus 4. So 15 minus 4 is 11 and we know that the difference 11 is divisible by 11. That means that whole number 9,01,153 is also divisible by 11. Question 5. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. Now what is the test for 3? The test for 3 is we add up all the digits, isn't it? So here whatever digits are given to us already, let's add it up. So the sum of the digits will be 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. So 19, as you know, is not divisible by 3. So we have to add a number. We have to add a number so that our answer will be divisible by 3. Now what we'll do is first let's write out a few multiples of 3. 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24 and 3 9s are 27. So here we have the multiples of 3. Now sum of the digits that we added, we got 19. Is 19 there here? No, 19 is not in the tables of 3. So which is the number that is closest to 19? That is greater than 19 but closest to 19. So the smallest multiple of 3 after 19 will be 21. So this is going to be 21. That means if I put x in this blank here, suppose I put x plus 19, all this gave me 19, isn't it? So x plus 19 should give me 21, which is the smallest multiple of 3 after 19. So now let's find the value of x. X will be equal to 21 minus 19. When I take this to the other side, it becomes minus. 21 minus 19. So 21 minus 19 is 2. Okay, so if I put 2 in this blank, here, if I put 2 here, this much is 19. 2 plus 19 is 21 and 21 is there in the tables of 3. So 21 is a number, smallest number that is divisible by 3. So the smallest digit that I am going to put there will be 2. This is the smallest digit. Now I need to find the biggest digit that I can put there. Here it says the smallest digit and the greatest digit, isn't it? Now what are all our one digit numbers? Remember, we can only put a one digit number there. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these are all the one digit numbers that I can put. So I found the smallest one now, 2. Now, which is the greatest one digit number here? 9. Now, let's add 9 to 19. Remember, the sum of the digits given to us already is 19. Now, suppose I add 19 to 9. What do I get? 19 plus 9 is 28. Is 28 there in tables of 3? It's not there in the tables of 3. So, I can strike off this 9. I cannot use 9. So, what is the number before that? 8. So, let's try that. 19 plus 8 is 27. So 27 is there in the tables of 3? Yes, it's there in the tables of 3. So I can use 8 and the number that I'll get is 27. So the greatest multiple of 3 that I can use here in this question is 27. And we just found that the greatest digit is 8. If I put 8 in that blank, 8 plus 19 will give me 27. I can't put 9 because it will come to 28 and I can't put 10 because it will become a 2-digit number and I've been given only one blank. Okay, now next one. Here also we have a number that has to be put into the blank here. That will give me a number that is divisible by 3. So here also remember we should add up all these digits that are already given to us. So let's find the sum of the digits given to us already. 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2. Okay, so 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 5 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. Now let's write a few multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. And 3 9s are 27. So these are all the multiples of 3 that I've written, a few multiples of 3 that I've written. And as you can see, 24 is already a multiple of 3. So what do we put in the blank? What are all the one-digit numbers that I can use? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the one-digit numbers that I can use. So already 24 is divisible by 3, isn't it? So since 24 is divisible by 3, the smallest digit that can be used to fill in the blank will be 0. Because if I put 0 there, my answer will still be 24. So the answer here is 0. So we've finished with the smallest digit. Now, let's see what the largest digit will be. So since we already have 24, now let's add the greatest one-digit number and see. 24 plus 9 is how much? 33. Is 33 there in the tables of 3? Yes. 3 11s are 33. If I continue with the multiples here, 3 into 11. 3 into 11 is 33. So the greatest multiple of 3 that I can use here is 33. Isn't it? 3 11s are 33. That means 9 has given me that 33. So the greatest digit that I can use here is 9. Remember, I can use only one-digit numbers, and the greatest one-digit number here among all these is 9. And if I put 9 here and I add up all these, I will get 33. And 33 is divisible by 3. So the smallest digit is 0 because this is adding up to 24. I just have to put a 0 there. Now the greatest digit that I can use there is 9 because I will get 33, which is in the tables of 3. Question 6. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. So we have a number here. We need to find out this number in the blank so that this number that is formed is divisible by 11. So first what we'll do is we'll fill this with x. So let this unknown letter be x. Now, since we are doing the test for 11, let's write the place in which each of these numbers is. So this is the first, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place and sixth place. So this is what you need to do whenever you're doing test of divisibility by 11. Now remember, we have to find the sum of the digits in the odd places and the even places. So sum of the digits at the odd places are the first, third and the fifth places. That is, what have we underlined? 9 plus 3 plus 2. So let's add 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So we have 14 here. So this is the sum of the digits in the odd places. Now let's look at the sum of the digits in the even places. Even places are the digits in the second place, the fourth place and the sixth place. So let's write that sum of digits at the even places. Now 8, what we've underlined, let's write plus x plus 9. Okay. This will be x plus, how much is 8 plus 9? 8 plus 9 is 17. Okay, so what is the first thing we did? We wrote the places and then we found the sum of the digits at the odd places, sum of the digits in the even places. What is the next step? We must find the difference. That means we have to subtract these two answers. Now x plus 17 will be the greater one because we already have 17 there. So x plus 17 minus 14. So we have to find the difference. Now remember, because it is the test for 11, the difference when you minus, you should get 0 or 11 or 22, 33. It should be a multiple of 11. So this should multiply to give us that. So let's work out this first. So this will be x plus, now 17 minus 14 is 3. Now x plus 3 should be equal to 0 or 11 or 22. So first let's try with 0. X plus 3, will you be able to get 0? Now x plus 3 to give you 0, x should be minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 can give you 0. But as you know, here we cannot write minus 3. In this place, you can't get a number which says 9, 2, minus 3, 3. So that is wrong. So you cannot have minus 3. So 3 plus nothing else will give you 0. So let's take away the 0. Shall we try to get 11? We'll try to get 11. X plus what? X plus 3 will give us 11. So let's find out what x is. So x will be 11. Now we're going to move this plus 3 to the other side. So it's going to become minus 3. So x is equal to 11 minus 3 is 8. So x is equal to 8. Now if we put 8 in this place, we will be able to get a number that is divisible by 11. So our answer here is 8. Now let's see what is the final number that we get. 9, 2, in the place of x we're going to write 8, 3, 8, 9. Okay, so this if you work out, you will find out that this number is divisible by 11 by doing sum of the digits in the odd places, which is 14. And here sum of the digits in the even places is x plus 17. X we found out to be 8. 8 plus 17 is 25. Now difference 25 minus 14 is 11. So our final answer here is 8. Question B. Again there is a blank here. We need to fill this in with a number in such a way that this whole number will be divisible by 11. So let's fill this with x. So let this letter be x. Now let's find the places of each of these digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now that we have written the places of each of the digit, let's find the sum of the digits in the odd places, that is 1, 3, 5. So what are the digits from the right? 4 plus 4 plus x. So this will be equal to 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus x. Now sum of the digits in the even places is what we're going to find out now. So what are the digits in the even places? In the second place, in the fourth place and the sixth place. So from the right we have 8 plus 9 plus 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 8 is 25. Now we have to find the difference. So 25 as we know is greater. So 25 minus 8 plus x. So this will be 25. When you open the brackets, if you see minus before the bracket, the sign of all the terms inside will change. So minus 8 minus x. So this will be 25 minus 8 is 17. 17 minus x should be equal to 0. So now 17 minus x should be equal to 0 or it should be equal to 11 or a multiple of 11. So let's try with both. So 17 minus x, we'll see if we can make it 0. So 17 minus x is equal to 0. Now here to find the value of x, we'll leave 17 here, bring 0 this side and take x that side. So 0 becomes minus 0 and x becomes plus x. So 17 minus 0 is 17. That means x is equal to 17. Now we have only one blank here. Only one blank here. So we should have a one-digit number there. In that place of x, we should have a one-digit number. But here we've got x to be 17. So we cannot write 17. That means 17 minus x cannot be 0. So the next option we can take is 17 minus x should be equal to 11. Now let's take x this side and let's take 11, bring 11 this side. So 17 minus 11 is equal to, when x moves to the other side, it becomes plus x, so simply x. Now how much is 17 minus 11? 6. So x is equal to 6. So x is a 6 is a one-digit number, so we can put it in this blank here. So what is the number that we get finally? Let's write down the final number. That will be 8. In place of x, we're going to write 6. and then 9484. Okay, so this is 8,69,484 and our answer is this digit, that is the digit 6. So wherever you have X, if you put that 6 there, you'll be able to get your answer. Okay, so this is our final answer. The digit in the blank is the number 6. With this, children, we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.